How to stay safe while driving at night. Driving at night presents unique challenges that require extra caution and preparation. Reduced visibility, glare from oncoming headlights, and increased fatigue can make nighttime driving more dangerous than driving during the day. Knowing how to stay safe while driving at night can help prevent accidents and ensure a smooth journey. 1. Ensure proper lighting. Before heading out at night, check that all your vehicle's lights are functioning correctly. This includes headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. Adjust your headlights properly to avoid blinding oncoming drivers while maximizing your own visibility. 2. Keep your windshield and mirrors clean. A dirty windshield can scatter light and reduce visibility, making it harder to see the road. Regularly clean your windshield, windows, and mirrors to minimize glare and improve your view of the road ahead. 3. Reduce glare from oncoming traffic. Bright headlights from other vehicles can cause temporary blindness, making it difficult to see. To reduce glare, avert your eyes slightly to the right side of the road while still keeping an eye on the lane ahead. Adjust your rear-view mirror to the night setting to minimize glare from vehicles behind you. 4. Drive at a safe speed. Since visibility is limited at night, reduce your speed and allow extra time to react to potential hazards. Keep a safe following distance to avoid sudden stops, and give yourself ample time to respond to road conditions. 5. Use high beams when appropriate. High beams can be helpful on dark roads with little to no street lighting. However, always switch back to low beams when approaching another vehicle to avoid dazzling other drivers. Be mindful of using high beams in foggy or rainy conditions, as they can reflect light back and reduce visibility. 6. Stay alert and avoid drowsy driving. Fatigue is a common issue when driving at night. Take regular breaks on long trips and avoid driving if you feel excessively tired. If you find yourself getting drowsy, pull over in a safe location and rest before continuing your journey. 7. Watch for pedestrians and wildlife. Pedestrians, cyclists, and animals are harder to spot at night. Be extra cautious in residential areas, rural roads, and highways where wildlife crossings are common. Scan the sides of the road for movement and reduce speed in areas with frequent wildlife activity. Equip your car with essential safety gear. Having essential safety gear in your car can make a significant difference in emergency situations. Keep items like a flashlight, reflective triangles, a first aid kit, and jumper cables in your vehicle. These tools can be crucial if you experience a breakdown or need assistance at night. 9. Avoid distractions. Stay focused on the road and minimize distractions such as using your phone or adjusting controls while driving. Keeping both hands on the wheel and your attention on the road is critical for nighttime safety. 10. Plan your route in advance. If you're traveling in unfamiliar areas, plan your route ahead of time to reduce the need for sudden lane changes or last-minute decisions. Utilize GPS or navigation apps to stay on track without taking your eyes off the road for too long. By following these tips and preparing adequately, you can enhance your nighttime driving safety and protect yourself and others on the road.